Hi all, here I am going to predict the optimum number of clusters and represent it visually for the given iris dataset. Unsupervised machine learning, here I am going to use. The algorithm is called k-mean clustering. Step 1. I am going to import libraries, pandas, dummies, matplotlib, etc. Then doing by read function, I import my dataset. By use of data.shape, I got the data have 150 rows and 6 columns. And by using data.info, I could found the values type in each columns. Then I check the null values by using isNull function. There is no null value present, that means I have a pure dataset. Then I'm going to step 2. It's finding the optimal number of clusters using elbow method. Elbow method is one of the most popular method to determine the optimal value of k. This method uses the concept of WCSS value. WCSS stands for within cluster sum of squares, which defines the total variations within a cluster. Here, using ilog function, I took all rows and 0, 1, 2, 3 columns to a variable x. From sklearn.cluster, I imported k-means function. Then I made a empty list of WCSS. Then I am going to find the optimal value of k by using elbow method. By this graph, I could find the optimal value of k is 3. Then I am going to my step 3, training the k-means algorithm on my training dataset. As we have got the number of clusters, so we can now train the model on the dataset. Here I give n clusters as 3. Then step 4, my visualizing clusters. The last step is to visualize the clusters, as we have 3 clusters for our model. So we will visualize each clusters as one by one. To visualize the clusters, we will use scatter plot using plt.scatter function of matplotlib. Here from the graph we can understand that iris setosa, iris versicolor, iris virginica are separately distributed, and we can easily find which are them. Then I am going to my conclusion. My dataset is balanced, that is, equal records are present for all 3 species. We have 4 numerical columns while just 1 categorical column, which is turn is our target algorithm column. A strong correlation is present between petal width and petal length. The setosa species is the most easily distinguishable because of its small feature size. The versicolor and virginica species are usually mixed and are sometimes hard to separate, while usually versicolor has average feature size and virginica has large feature size. Thank you.